Today we talk about how can you enable a screen on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. You just go down here. You click on library down here. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, you come here to apply screen, click in this sign. So like you see, this color show for us. That's me here, apply screen, enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.